Hello everyone, welcome back. Alright, let's talk about something that can test anyone's patience: excessive barking and constant mew. Whether it's a dog barking at everything that moves or a cat mewing non-stop for attention, it can get overwhelming, but here's the truth. Your pet is not being annoying, they are trying to communicate. Let me ask you, when does your pet make the most noise? When you leave? When they want food? Or when they see strangers? That's your clue. Step 1: identify the cause. Before fixing the behavior, understand why it's happening. Common reasons might be attention seeking, boredom, anxiety, alerting, maybe someone is at the door, hunger or routine expectation. There might be different cause and which will obviously have different solution. Step 2: stop rewarding the noise. This is the biggest mistake. For example, your dog barks, you give attention. Your cat meows them immediately. Stop doing that. What do they learn is by being noisy they get rewarded. So you should stop that and let's discuss the fix. Wait for a moment of silence and then reward. Now they will learn that being quiet means getting the reward. So that's how you can build up your pet psychology. Step 3: teach the quiet command, especially to the dogs. How to train is: first, let your dog bark once or twice. Stay quiet in a calm tone. The moment they stop, then you reward. Repeat consistently. Soon they will connect that being quiet means good things will happen. Step 4: for cats, control the trigger. Cats don't follow commands like dogs. So you manage the situation. If your cat meows for food, eat during noise. Feed only when they are calm. If it's attention seeking, give attention when they are quiet, not loud. Next is reduce the boredom. Food pet is a noisy pet. Add some playtime, maybe some walks, and some interactive toys. A tired pet means a quiet pet. Next is staying calm. Shouting like stop barking actually sounds like I am joining the noise to them. They will think like you are also making noise, let's do some noisy stuff together. So you should not make any noise when they are already noisy. Stay calm, controlled, and clear. Next is address anxiety. If your pet makes noise when you leave, that's separation anxiety. Fix it by gradual alone time training, creating safe spaces, and not making exits overly emotional. Next is let's try this today. The next time your pet makes noise, wait. The moment they go quiet, even for 1 second, reward immediately. That's your starting point. And here's something powerful: don't fight the noise, it's the silence. Because once your pet understands this, your home becomes peaceful again. In the next lecture, we'll tackle a more serious topic: aggression, pauses, and safe correction. This is where your training becomes truly advanced. So stay calm, stay consistent, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next lecture.